Today, I decided to dedicate some time to educate myself about colon cancer and its symptoms. Colon cancer is a significant health concern, and knowing the signs and symptoms is essential for early detection and treatment. I came across a list of 8 common symptoms associated with colon cancer, and I wanted to document my findings to raise awareness and remind myself to prioritize regular checkups. 1. Change in bowel habits. One of the earliest signs of colon cancer is a noticeable change in bowel habits. This could include persistent diarrhea, constipation, or a change in the consistency of stool. I learned that any unexplained and significant alterations in bowel habits should not be ignored. 2. Blood in the stool. Finding blood in the stool can be alarming and is a potential symptom of colon cancer. Whether it's bright red blood or dark, tarry stools, any unexplained rectal bleeding should prompt a visit to a healthcare professional for evaluation. 3. Abdominal discomfort or pain. Persistent abdominal pain, cramping, or discomfort, particularly if it is accompanied by bloating, should raise concerns. These symptoms might indicate a blockage or tumor growth in the colon. 4. Unexplained weight loss. Losing weight without any apparent reason, especially if it's significant, can be a warning sign of colon cancer. This is often a result of the body expending energy to fight cancer cells. 5. Fatigue and weakness. Feeling unusually tired or weak is a symptom that can accompany colon cancer. Cancer can cause fatigue due to the body's increased energy expenditure in fighting the disease. 6. Iron deficiency anemia. Colon cancer can lead to chronic bleeding, which may not always be visible in the stool. Over time, this can result in iron deficiency anemia, characterized by fatigue, pale skin, and weakness. 7. Narrow stools. Pencil thin. Stools that become consistently narrower or pencil thin may indicate a blockage in the colon caused by a tumor. This is a less common symptom but still important to be aware of. 8. Feeling that bowel doesn't empty completely. A persistent sensation that the bowel doesn't empty completely after a bowel movement can be a sign of a tumor obstructing the colon. This symptom can be especially noticeable in the later stages of colon cancer. As I reflect on these symptoms, I realize the importance of regular screenings and checkups, especially as we age. Colon cancer, when caught early, is highly treatable, and early detection can save lives. I've made a mental note to discuss these symptoms and the importance of screening with my family and friends to raise awareness about this potentially life-threatening disease. Remember, knowledge and early detection are powerful tools in the fight against colon cancer, and it's crucial not to ignore any persistent or concerning symptoms. I plan to schedule a checkup soon to ensure my own health and well-being and encourage those around me to do the same.